Hey y'all, this is Jamie from Fergo's Trucking Insurance. Today, I'm gonna discuss the concept of aging or cooking your DOT number. You might be wondering what this entails and why people do it. Aging or cooking your DOT number is a process where you activate your motor carrier authority with just the minimum insurance policy. Now you might be asking, why would someone want to age their DOT number? So there are a few reasons why someone may want to age their DOT, but the most common one is to overcome the challenges of the first 3 to 6 months when brokers are hesitant to work with a brand new authority. If you are new, those first 3 to 6 months are no joke. So aging the DOT could be a true game changer. I've seen a number of startups struggle to make it past the initial months of getting started because they simply couldn't secure partnerships with brokers or shippers. Meanwhile, they still have to bear the burden of monthly expenses such as costly insurance, financing their equipment, a business loan if they have taken out a business loan. So it could be a real challenge if you don't have all your ducks in a row. However, with all that being said, it's important to keep in mind that you don't need to age your DOT number to have a successful trucking business. But if you want to make things a little smoother, aging your DOT number might be the best option for you. So let's get into how do you go about aging your DOT number the right way. First, you need to fill out your authority application. You must have a non-commercial vehicle that weighs no more than 10,000 pounds, preferably your personal vehicle. With that, the FMCSA will only then require you to meet an auto liability limit of $300,000 instead of the standard $750,000. This lower liability limit will ensure you get the cheapest insurance while still activating your operating authority. Once you have your commercial truck and you're ready to hit the road, all you have to do is update the vehicle on your existing minimum policy, increase the auto liability limit, and then add any necessary coverages for your specific operations. So let's say you require trailer interchange coverage. Then all you would do is add trailer interchange to your policy. Whatever you need for your unique operation to get started on the road. You're also gonna need to update your MCS 150 application and your filings with the FMCSA to match your current operation. Your agent's gonna need to manage the filings part for you. While you are going through the process, it is absolutely crucial that you do not attempt to operate until your authority and your insurance are properly updated with the right coverages for your operations. So in conclusion, aging your DOT number is a manageable process when you have a knowledgeable agent guiding you through each step. Having a good agent who understands the ins and outs of the process is very essential. If you guys have any questions or you need assistance with getting your trucking company started, feel free to schedule a free consultation call with me or my team by clicking on the calendar link below. If you found this video useful, again, my name is Jamie. I'm with Fergo's Trucking Insurance Agency. I'm here to help aspiring trucking business owners and existing business owners looking to launch, grow, and scale their businesses. Thank you all for watching, and I would be grateful if you could like, subscribe, and share this information with your friends and family. Bye.